what's up everyone? Welcome back. It is Tati and we have another color swatch today. Lots more coming actually, but today we're going to be going over D&D. I actually walked in thinking I was buying an entire collection. It turns out they came out with like 100 colors. So I did not get 100 colors. I went ahead and just grabbed a few and a couple different colors and some different shades in those colors. It's summertime, so I definitely went for some brighter colors. But let's get it started. So I'm going to first do Beautiful Disaster. It's a soft, bright pink. And as always, I'm looking at consistency in the gel. You know, how thick or thin is the polish. I'm getting good coverage, good opaque colors, unless it's supposed to be sheer. And of course, we definitely want to know how good is that match between hands and feet. So this color is super cute. It's like a bright bubble pink, I guess you could say. Really, really nice. Pretty good coverage on the first coat. I could barely see my little blue tacky back there. Let's get this cured. Let's see how it looks on the second coat. Okay, so here we have 2 coats, clear coat. It's definitely a nice creamy color. Really, really cute, bright pink. Totally loving it. This one is a little bit brighter pink, Flower Bomb, number 282. Oh yeah, this one kind of reminds me of First Love with Perfect Match, just a little bit darker and brighter. Ooh, I love that coverage. Look how creamy that is. It's like a thick and glossy. All right, let's see how this looks when it's all set. All right, so there we have it. 2 coats, top coat. It is a super cute dark pink and it's nice and bright. I'm definitely loving this color, really good coverage. Loving Flower Bomb. All right, you are the bomb. Let's go on to the next. This one is super cute. This is Aroma Aroma, number 283. Kind of like an electric fuchsia-ish color. Ooh, also very nice and thick. I love when I get great coverage just on the first coat. It's really, really nice. Super cute color. Ooh, there we go. 2 coats, clear coat, super, super cute. Loving this color. Aroma Aroma. Really, really pretty. This is gonna be a really nice summer color. This one's called Sandcastles. This is really cute. I definitely get a lot of compliments when my clients are using really soft but bright peachy colors. This one's really adorable. Something that I definitely noticed with the D&D is they have a ton of colors that came out, because with every like color they came out with all types of shades and tones. So if you don't like the neon version, we'll give you a softer muted version. If you like the brights but not too loud, then we'll give you a soft and bright. They definitely gave good variety in all the colors. And this one is kind of like a pale peachy orange, soft peachy orange. And there we go, 2 coats, top coat. Really, really cute color. You probably could have definitely done a 3rd coat on this and gotten an even more bolder look. Very, very cute. Let's check out the next one. This one's definitely more vibrant orange, zesty vibes. Very, very zesty. Super cute orange. It's really nice and electric, but still kind of toned down from being like too orange. It's got a little peachiness in there. Super cute. Let's finish this one up. So there we go, 2 coats, top coat. Really, really cute, fun color. This is definitely an orange that'll get your non-orange clients into orange. It's super cute. Ooh, I don't know if anyone else is seeing it, but yellow is everywhere. My clients this last week have definitely been wanting yellow. This one is Glossy Stars. I definitely had to grab the 2 yellows that they had. This one is super cute. It just seems like a really nice soft yellow, but that is really intense in color. So I'm hoping it is as intense as it looks. Nice and creamy. All the colors have definitely shared the same consistency in the gel. Nice, thick, creamy, glossy. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Super cute, soft yellow. So here we go, 2 coats, top coat. Super, super cute yellow. Really, really adorable. I kind of messed up a little bit when I was finishing it up right there. So just kind of ignore that little patch. That was my fault. But really cute. I would probably, depending on your client's nail bed, might even go for a 3rd coat on this one to really get a nice solid. And on these, they are a little bit thick. So I'm just swatching them, not paying attention. But you want to make sure that you don't put them on too thick, because let me see if you could, I guess you can kind of see it here where it's a little bit more opaque right here along the side, and then it looks like a little shadowy. Yeah, that's not the light. It's just that it's a really, really curved nail, since I'm using a fake nail, and I'm polishing it on, and it's collecting a little bit around the edges. So thinner coats are better than thicker coats. That way you can make sure that that doesn't happen on your client's nails. But I'm kind of noticing here that I did that a little bit on that one. So just be cautious of that. Ooh, okay, this next color was really exciting. Actually, I was grabbing the other yellow, which was $2.59, the one we just did, and I saw that $2.58 was empty, and I'd made a comment about it to my sister. But this lady that was there looking at colors, I had helped her out with some stuff that she needed, and she turned around and gave me this color. She's like, here, this was the last one that was there. None of my clients are gonna use it anyways. And I was like, oh my God, I love this color. It's a neon yellow. She was so sweet. I was so grateful. It's a neon yellow. I'm already in neon yellow. It's a neon yellow. I'm already in love with their lemon juice, and I was wondering how different this was gonna be from lemon juice. So I'm actually gonna see here. Very, very nice. A little bit soft on the first coat. Probably just like lemon juice, I have to do 3 coats. But super cute neon yellow. Let me tell you that this neon yellow gets used. I love it. I love it. Let's finish this one up. All right, there we go. I did 3 coats on this. Which one is this? Shine Bright. Yes, Shine Bright. I did 3 coats on this one. It definitely needed it just to get a more opaque look. And actually, give me a moment. I'm gonna see how close this is to lemon juice. Let's see. Okay, it's a little bit more intense in the yellow. So it's not too different. It's coming up. Yeah, it's a little bit more intense in the yellow. Not too different, but I still love it. And it's gonna get used, so awesome. Let's move on to the next. This one's super cute. I definitely have clients that love their blues. This one is Mermaid Blue. Right, so this is definitely is going on really nice and thick, this first coat. Super cute color. Kind of like a soft, bright, tealish kind of blue. I don't think teal's the word I'm looking for, but you see it, it's cute. So here we go right here, 2 coats, top coat, really cute. Would definitely look cute with some mermaid dust. I definitely have a couple clients, Nicole, that would totally love this color. Let's move on to my last color. All right, so this one is Forest Green. Believe it or not, greens are super cute. Just gotta have the right shade. This one's really pretty. It reminds me of Lily Pad from Perfect Match, but just a little bit more green, not so pale. And of course, super nice, thick coverage on the first coat. Let's finish this one up. There we go, 2 coats, top coat, really cute green. I love this. It could be totally cute for a little accent nail too. Oh my gosh, so all the colors really nice, great consistency across the board. Let's actually get these all lined up real quick so we can see if they match the hands and the feet. I already swatched all the toe colors out. Let me organize it. Okay, so here we go. We have regular polish for the color swatched at the bottom, gel polish that we just swatched up top. And can I say how impressed I am that these colors are almost all identical, perfect. With the exception of this one, it is a little bit more intense in blue and a little bit brighter than the hands, but other than that, it's like almost identical. This is something that like I struggle with when I buy collections for other brands, because it's like a hit or miss whether or not these hands and feet are gonna match. But DND is like almost always something that you can guarantee is on point. And can I tell you, one of the cheapest gel bottles that I buy, definitely one of the cheapest brands, and great quality, great color variation. Hello, a new collection with 100 combinations, 100 colors that you can get. It's pretty insane. And to get a hands and feet combination that matches so perfectly, kudos DND. I'm super excited about this summer collection. I know I only had a few swatches here for you, but there are tons of colors. Check them out. I hope this was helpful, and I got more swatches coming up because the Gelish came out with an MTB collection, and that one's on its way. I'll be doing some beetle swatches, so definitely stay tuned, get that notification on, subscribe, don't miss out, and thank you so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.